Have you ever wanted a rice cooker, a sewing machine, a slow cooker, a USB microphone? My name is Ryan Brogan and I'm a senior library assistant in the James Joyce Library here in UCD. So the library things came around just to support sustainability efforts and also to support students during the cost of living crisis.
I first heard about it in an email and I just thought it looks really handy because obviously there's the microphone, there's a projector, the rice cooker, there's like a clothes steamer. Some people don't have TVs in their accommodations, but they do have a nice blank wall. So it's really nice to pick up the projector if it's free because it's always taken. There's students who might be international students and they're only living here for a semester. It means that they can pick it up, they don't have to buy anything, and then there's no electronic waste after the fact. It's a way where we're kind of building community in the university, which I think is lovely.
It's a hugely helpful resource for students. Things like noise-cancelling headphones for students who may have noisy neighbours, they may have noisy kids.
We'll have students coming up to us saying, oh, this is great, I was able to book the air fryer, my friends are coming over to visit. So it's kind of showing how the library can support the UCD community outside the classroom as well.